So this is how you can fix your Spotify playlist being empty. This has happened to a lot of other Spotify users, so I'm going to teach you how to fix this problem. The very first thing you're going to want to do is obviously open up Spotify. Now, go to the playlist where your music is missing. As you can see, mine isn't missing because there is an actual way to fix this problem. One thing you can do is just basically reset the app by exiting out and then clearing it like so. So by doing that, you've basically reset the app and it's cleared any kind of data running in the background. So you're gonna want to try that. If that doesn't work and your playlist is still somehow missing, well, you might need a new update. So go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and then search for Spotify. So just like this, let's go on ahead and search for it and open it up. As you can see, it says update. You're gonna want to tap on update so that you can update your Spotify because that could clear your bugs or the virus that may be causing this problem. Because sometimes if you don't update your apps and if you don't update your softwares, things can go bad and basically things will happen. Things like these, like your playlist not appearing. So go on ahead and update it, or you could even delete the Spotify app and then download it back again so it makes sure that you're getting rid of the previous bugs and viruses. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.